everybody, this is Chris Rochnut24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing and showcasing the Choetech 50-watt 6-port desktop USB charger with Quick Charge 3.0 technology. And we like this version of the desktop charger. There's so many ports available. There's 6, but what we like most, there's 2 up here, denoted by the blue USB port, USB Type A ports, that are Quick Charge 3.0 enabled. Now they're backward compatible with Quick Charge 2.0, but you get a full Quick Charge 3.0 out of those 2 ports, and the rest of them are auto sensing. So here's some information right here. It has an input of a normal wall plug, so standard wall plug, and it transforms that into available power for 6 ports with 2 Quick Charge 3.0 ports. So now we'll go inside the box further, see what else is in here. And they also include a USB Type-C cable, so that's nice. It's a couple of dollars that you save right there. And the wall charge cable right here, so that's good. And then you can use this as a stand, so it goes in like that, so it stands up, or you can leave it on its side as well on the desk. So there's a lot of cables that'll be coming out from this desktop charger. So this is the 50-watt 6-port desktop USB charger. It has 6 ports, and like we said, it has 2 Quick Charge 3.0 ports right here, and it auto detects what your devices need for power, and it supplies that power through the single wall port right there. Thanks for watching, and please follow me on Twitter. I'm 24K, and please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.